here again.
What the f are you doing? Just go!
Probably,
Move, you dickhead!
on his phone. Yeah, well, you're on your phone.
What's he doing? Use your f***ing eyeballs, you dickhead!
Nah, mate. Nope.
Pitch your passion time. Very, very exciting. Maybe you can't get enough jazz. Maybe you're a fan of kitchen.
So you can't match speed on the slip road.
Whatever you're into.
Dickhead!
You can see him. You can let him over. No, not interested. Didn't want to go. Changed his mind. Oh no, he did want to go. Just wanted to leave a massive gap of time before he did it.
Appreciate that Hayden was so willing to teach.
Hey, how are you doing? Jeez. Pulled out too far, messed up, and then nearly ran someone over. Boing. Oof. So we can go to our next set of traffic lights. Didn't fancy being in the queue, did you? So you thought you'd sit in the other lane and push in. Nice skills there from Pooba. Well done. You knew what you were doing. You know the area. You drive these roads day in, day out. You knew what you were doing. Unbelievable. So yeah, just drop off in the junction, leave me hanging over. Dickhead.
Ta-da!
It's annoying. Red lights, straight through. That's a red light. And you jumped it. Didn't want to wait.
Ta-da! Naughty boy, jumping the red light.
He's got his. Ta-da!
Can't for long. Big rain. It's not normally there.
You won't be able to see that, yeah. If you knew you were going right, why were you in lane 1 over there? Honestly. Crossing literally there.
At the roundabout. Turn left.
I mean, there's a crossing there. I mean, don't put yourself out.
With your forces community, and it's all in one place. Join the community in one place. Join the community today by visiting bfbs.com.
Uh-oh.
Oh, that has been smashed in the window as well.
Span here. Oh, ouch.
Hey, I don't charge. I don't know.
Bit of a terrible place to park your van.
Even the dog is sat in the car. It's not fair. First time in a long while I've gone, oh, if the dog would just bloody walk. It's the first time in a long.
I mean, why have one space when you can have two?
That's 7.
Cool. Nice little notice there. When we were driving, some guy walking. Nice people, if you're into that kind of thing.
Is that a problem for us?
No.
What was the point in that?